Software. Learning about the hardware and software. Hello friends. Today we will learn about the components of the computer system. It can be divided into two main categories: hardware and software. Hardware. Hardware refers to the physical parts of the computer system. It comprises the input and output devices such as monitor, printer, mouse, which are also referred to as peripherals, and the CPU tower with all its components. Software. A computer is a general-purpose machine. We can use the same machine to do a variety of tasks like writing letters, listening to music, or controlling a robot. But for each different task it performs, the computer uses a different program or software. Software refers to the set of programs which guide the computer to accomplish certain tasks. It is the software which gives the hardware its capability. The hardware and software components of the computer system work hand in the hand to make the computer function and carry out the task we ask it to do. The process of developing software is called programming, and the people who write the programs or codes are called programmers. Types of software. Software can be broadly categorized into two types: application software and system software. Now we will see application software. Application software can be of three types. Customized application software. These are software created according to a user's requirements. When a particular system gets computerized, a customized software has to be created for the process. Some examples of customized application softwares are given below. Accounting software for maintaining the accounts of the shop or company. Banking software for managing the accounts of a bank. Hospital management software. Educational software. Software to help blind people to read. Fee collection software for collecting fee bills of students. General application software. These are software packages created so that many people can use them. Some examples of general application software are word processors, spreadsheets, media players, which let you listen to the music on your computer or watch a movie on a DVD. Software to create presentations. Software to connect computers. Programming languages like BASIC, Logo, C++, etc. Utilities. Utilities are programs that help you to open your computer in an effective and safe manner by taking care of the hardware and software components. Some examples of utility programs are antivirus programs like Norton and McAfee, which protect your computer from virus. Softwares which take backup of your data. Taking a backup means taking copies of your work. This copy can be used in case the original work gets deleted or damaged. One should always keep a backup of the important data stored in the computer. Softwares to recover the data which could have accidentally been deleted. Softwares which compress your data so that you can fit it into a CD or floppy, for example, WinZip. System software. System software refers to a set of programs which have been written to control the functioning of the computer system. It is the system software which runs the application software. System software can be further categorized into operating systems, language processors. Operating systems. The operating system is the first software which we load onto the computer before we load any other software like application software. For example, we need to first load the Windows operating system before we load MS Office, which is a suite of application software. An operating system is a set of programs which allows you to communicate easily with the computer. It acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. Operating systems perform basic tasks such as accepting input from the keyboard, sending the output to the monitor or printer, keeping tracks of files and directories on the desk, controlling the floppy and CD drive, the hard disk, the printer. It also controls and coordinates the working of the different programs. Language processors. Language processors are software which convert computer languages into machine understandable form. Computer languages are used to give instructions to the computer system. There are 3 types of computer languages. Machine language. The first type of computer language to be used for programming was machine language. Machine language is the language understood directly by the computer machine. It does not require any translations. Machine language is also known as binary language as it is written using only 2 digits, as zeros and ones. When the machine code is entered into the computer, it converts the code into electrical signals needed to operate it. Example of a machine language command: 01011, 10011, 10010, 10001. Programming in machine language is very difficult and tedious. Only engineers who understand the hardware can write programs in machine language. Assembly language. The unfriendly nature of machine language led to the development of assembly language, where symbolic codes called mnemonics are used to represent machine language. These codes are similar to the English language and hence it was easier to write programs with them. These programs are easy to debug. 8085 and 8086 are assembly languages. Machine language and assembly language are considered low-level languages. High-level languages, that is HLL. The development of HLL allowed programming to become a more popular activity. High-level languages are similar to English and use mathematical symbols like plus, minus, multiplication, etc. They are easier to learn and use. Writing programs to create applications become easier and faster. COBOL, Fortran and C++ are high-level languages. You know that the computer understands only machine language. So, it is necessary to convert the assembly language and high-level language programs into machine-understandable code. Language processors have the responsibility of converting programming languages like assembly language and high-level languages into machine-understandable form. Assemblers, interpreters, and compilers are language processors. Assemblers convert assembly language program into machine language. Interpreters and compilers convert high-level language programs into machine language. Software piracy. Software piracy is copying and using software which we have not paid for and hence do not have the license to use them. Software piracy is an illegal activity and punishable by law. You must always use legal software and get your name registered with the manufacturer when you buy it. Firmware. Firmware refers to the software stored in the ROM of the processor. Firmware is found in all computer-based products like digital diaries, washing machines, etc. Summary. We have learnt about the hardware and software in this lesson. Keep learning.